Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I style my Yankee twist crochet braids. The first style here is a high pony. All you need is an elastic band and you just put your hair high up into a pony like so. So this is really cute, really simple, really easy, and literally takes seconds to do. Second style is also really quick and easy. It's just using a headband, and I just basically put the hair down and put the headband on. Again, it takes seconds to do and looks actually really, really cute. The next style is really simple again, and it's just using a claw clip and doing a half up, half down style like so. The next style is also very simple, just styling the hair into a high bun, and you can leave some of the strands down to make it more like whimsy, or you could just tuck everything up and make it a bit more neat, depending on what your style and preference is. Again, really simple, really easy, and you could do this even for just like a casual day out. This last way of styling is my favorite and is my go-to. I take 2 strands from the last row on each side, put it high up into the middle of my head, and this is just a half up, half down style. I tie these strands into a ponytail in a hairband and tuck the hair underneath itself. This style is very cute, very natural, and very easy to do. And it basically just keeps the hair out of your face as well, but you still get the volume of having the hair down, which I absolutely love. There is also the option to put a claw clip if you want to, just depending. So you just literally add it in, and that's it basically. Very quick and easy, and this is an overview of what the style looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel.